I'm Jonathan Rosenfeld. I'm a personal injury attorney at Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers in Chicago. One of the questions that comes up in every case is how long do I have to file a lawsuit? This is referred to as the statute of limitations. The statute of limitations is a time requirement imposed by the legislature to file a lawsuit or resolve a claim. If you fail to comply with the statute of limitations, your case will be dismissed and you will not be able to recover any compensation for your case. Obviously, determining the exact date for a statute of limitations is very important and should not be taken lightly. In Illinois, the statute of limitations for the majority of personal injury, medical malpractice, and wrongful death cases is 2 years from the date of the incident or the alleged malpractice. Again, I want to emphasize that this is the general rule and there are exceptions which may shorten or extend the time requirements for filing a lawsuit. While 2 years may sound like a lot of time to bring a lawsuit for personal injuries, time moves quickly. For example, when filing a personal injury or medical malpractice lawsuit, we need to name all of the parties who are responsible for an incident. While some of these parties may be obvious, some are not. In the case of medical malpractice, we may be able to determine the doctors who are involved, but we may not immediately know the practice group that they work for. Naming the practice group may be important in order to get insurance coverage for an incident. In the case involving a motor vehicle accident, we may want to file a lawsuit quickly so that we can take depositions of the defendants to see if there's another party who is responsible. If we find additional parties, we can add them to the case. The bottom line is that if you or a family member is involved in an accident involving injuries, you should speak to a lawyer about your legal rights and options as soon as feasible. If you have questions about the statute of limitations for your situations, give me a call or set an appointment, and I'm happy to meet with you so we can determine how the law applies to your situation.